Hello guys, Brian back with a ADA Cardano update. I haven't covered ADA for a couple days, so wanted to get a video out. And we have a green day. What do you know? Finally, boy oh boy, we were just getting clobbered there with red days. And right now Cardano is up 5.19% at 0.3636 cents as I make this video. We had a low of 0.3431 for the day, so we're up a couple cents here, and things are starting to look really good here. You can see this major resistance that we are about to come up and butt heads with. And I'm going to show you a couple different things that could be happening in here after I cover a couple pretty good news articles for you here. Cardano price prediction one, and one for Charles Hoskinson. And if you like updates like this, please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here every day, and got a great bunch of people in this group, and we would love to have you here. We're going to do that 100 ADA giveaway in a couple days, and all you have to do to enter is be subscribed. We're going to do a giveaway every month, and so please hit the button. Cardano price prediction 2025 through 2030. Can Jed propel ADA to ... Let's see down through here. Let's go over this real quick. I'm not going to bore you guys to death. I'm just going to highlight what they go over here and get to the price predictions down through here. Pretty long article, actually. It's on AMB Crypto if you want to go read it. And let's get right down to the bare bones of what we're here for. So I don't want to go too fast, but really in-depth article. You know, volume, everything. They go over everything here. So what impact will the Vassal hard fork have on Cardano's price? You know, that apparently was a survey. 34% unsure. Vassal is the most significant Cardano update to date, bringing increased network capacity and lower cost transactions. Here we go. Cardano ADA price prediction 2025. According to Changelly, the minimum ADA price is predicted to fall to $1.87 in 2025. Okay, did we miss one up here or something? By the end of the year, ADA is likely to hike to $1.50. ADA will continue to develop. Okay. Right here it says the end of September, ADA will trade at $1.77. Okay, so let's get down through here and see what we got here. They're talking about $1.87 in 2025. Cardano is forecasted by Finder's team of fintech experts to soar to $2.93 by 2025. So we would be back up near the all-time high by then, according to them. Well, let's go on to 2026. It says the Cardano blockchain project hopes to sign up as many as 50 banks and 10 Fortune 500 businesses, according to Frederick Gregard, CEO of the Cardano Foundation. Wow, that's great. By 2030. Wow, here we go. It's not out of reach for Cardano to surpass the double-digit threshold, according to Josh Enomoto, a former senior business analyst for Sony Electronics, who has experience working with Fortune 500 businesses, who wrote about it in NASDAQ.com. He first presented that argument in May of 2021 and even forecast that ADA price would reach $22 by the end of 2022. And perhaps $100 by the end of 2027. Both up and negative trends in altcoin prices are fairly powerful. Finder's panel has considered Cardano's future, placing it in a good position. It believes ADA will hit $6.53 by 2030. So there it is. You know, geez, $100 by the end of 2027, wouldn't that be something? I don't know if I see it hitting that by 2027, but I could definitely see it down the road for this thing, no doubt about it. I got high hopes for Cardano. I mean, geez, they're doing what, trying to take Ethereum out. Look at, I mean, granted, Ethereum has a lot less tokens, but it's not out of anybody's realm of possibility to think, you know, ADA could hit, you know, $50. I'm sure it can. You know, there's people out there talking about XRP, which I believe it will too. Not financial advice, please. I'm not a financial advisor. I believe it'll hit $10, XRP, and I could definitely see Cardano, easily hitting double digits, $10 in the future. So here we have Cardano's Hoskinson Loud's Polygon ZK EVM launched despite previous criticism of Ethereum. This is one of the few times that Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has spoken positively about something related to Ethereum. So let's get down through if these pop-ups will quit. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson congratulated the Polygon community for launching its zero-knowledge Ethereum virtual machine beta on March 27th. Hoskinson said innovations like this are great for the crypto industry. Quoting a tweet from Polygon co-founder Sandeep Nawal about Vitalik Buterin's landmark transaction on the network. Polygon ZK EVM is a blockchain network that would enable faster and cheaper transactions. The ZK rollup would allow several transactions to be batched off-chain and executed on Ethereum's mainnet. Well, that's good. Charles Hoskinson, he threw out a congratulations to them, so that's awesome. I like Charles. I don't know him personally, but all the videos I've seen with the guy seems like a really down-to-earth man. So here's the top 100 cryptos. You can see we are mostly all in green. We have 3 reds on there, and the markets this afternoon, this morning, these were all red. And this afternoon, everything has been turning up. That's what we want to see. The Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is up 2.21%. Volume is down 4.73% over 24 hours. And Bitcoin dominance, look at that. It's dropping 1.06%. That's great for the altcoins. We are at a 59 for the Fear and Greed indicator today in greed. Here's your biggest gainers and biggest losers for the day. Why this is only loading up 2, I don't know. I'm sorry about that. I've tried to refresh it a couple times. Don't know if it's my browser or if it's actually CoinMarketCap. So, but wow, look at Flare at the top there. Good for them. Holy cow. Remember when that airdrop came out and everybody hurried up and went and sold their tokens, including me, and now look at them. Bounce them right back. Good for them. So let's get into this chart, guys. ADA, we have been bouncing off of this resistance for how long now? If we go back here, June of 2022 is the first time we hit it. The second time was in August of 2022. The third time is in February last month, and there we hit it again March 16th, and it looks like we're making another run at it here. So this is on the daily chart. That RSI has spun up down there at the bottom. You can see the thing has spun up again, so it's heading up, and this thing is looking great. Quite honestly, I don't know if we are doing a 5 wave out of here. 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. You get my point. What I'm getting to, or an ABC out of here. This could be an ABC too. You're gonna have to let this thing play out. ABC. Something like that. Even you're gonna have to wait for some more bars to come on here to see where we're at here. But the thing's starting to really look great and look bullish. The resistance can only hold us back for so long. We have great support right here at the 35.5 area. The next major resistance is right up here at right around 38.3, 38.4, somewhere through there. We get through there and we're in good shape. These are weekly, that's weekly support and weekly resistance. So them are 2 big zones. It looks like we're going to come up and smash into this thing. Hopefully we can get through it. These RSIs, let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hours curving over at the top, it can ride up there for a long time, guys. You can see, it can spin up and down as it goes. That daily was spinning back up. The 12 is just turning up. That's beautiful to see. That gets me excited. Where's the 8? And the 8 is on its way up. So things are looking good for us. We're going to put a trend line on this thing right down here. You can see that the support line right there, we're going to keep that on there because it's building up into a coiling up in here. Something's going to happen. We've been bouncing off this line here and bouncing off that one, so we're coiling up for a big move here. If this thing breaks out of this resistance, who knows where this thing's heading. We'll have to put a couple fibs on it here and find out. My first guess would be if we put a Fibonacci on this thing. Right now we are back up to the 618 on a fib for this whole move. This is on the 8-hour chart. Last time we made it up to that 786, got rejected. We're back to the 618. Boy, it would be nice to see us bust through there. The first target would be up towards the 45 cent range, somewhere up there. 42 to 45 cents if we bust out of here. That's the first two areas I would be looking for. And first of all, we got to break that resistance at 38.5. We get through that and we're in business. So I'll keep an eye on this rest of the night, guys. Please hit that subscribe button. Would love to have you here, and thank you so very much for watching my video. I very, very much appreciate it. Have a good night, folks.